foiling method is when you're multiplying binomials. They have to be binomials. So binomials means two terms. So if you multiply two terms by two terms, what you can use is use the FOIL method, which stands for mnemonic first, outside, inside, last. So to multiply the first times first, these two are in the first part of each binomial. So 3x times 2x is 6x squared. And then outsides, these two terms are on the outside, so I'm going to multiply those. When I multiply those, I get 21x. Inside, these two are on the inside, I get negative 10x. And last, these two terms are the last one, so when I multiply those, I get negative 35. After you do that, you write it in standard form from least to greatest, and this is already in standard form, except for I need to combine like terms. So when I combine like terms, I'm going to get 6x squared plus 11x minus 35. Now, you can only use a foiling for two binomials. So down here, this is not two binomials. This is a binomial times a trinomial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2x, I'm going to multiply it by each term. So 2x times 4x is 8x cubed. 2x times x is plus 2x squared. 2x times negative 6 is negative 12x. Then I'm going to multiply negative 3 by each term. So it's going to be negative 12x squared minus 3x plus 18. And then after that, I'm going to write it in order from least to greatest. So I have 8x cubed, 2x squared minus 12x squared is negative 10x squared. Negative 12x and negative 3x is negative 15x. And then plus 18. So you have to take each term and multiply it by the next polynomial. Now another way you can multiply polynomials is to use the box method. So with the box method, what you do is you take your first binomial or trinomial, and I'm going to make m plus 5, so an m and a positive 5. And I could either write this going across or down, but I'm making it down. And then I take this one, which is 4m negative 2, and I find the area of each box. So the area of this box would be 4m squared. The area of this box would be negative 2m. This box is 20m and then negative 10. So writing it from least to greatest, I have 4m squared. These two add up to 18m. And then minus 10. Now you can also do a box with a binomial and a trinomial. So this box is already set up for you. So I'm going to write 5k plus 3 and then k squared negative 2k positive 1. So it's going to be 5k cubed minus 10k squared plus 5k. Then I'm going to multiply k squared times 3 and get 3k squared. Multiply negative 2k times 3 and get negative 6k, and then plus 3. And at the end I have 5k cubed minus 7k squared minus k plus 3. Okay, now I'm going to do some practicing with this. Now this one you can foil. You can foil because it's a binomial times a binomial. So first times first is a squared. Outside is positive 8a. Inside is negative 5a. And last is negative 40. So combining, you got a squared plus 3a minus 40. And then number 2, 5h times 3h is 15h squared plus 25h plus 18h plus 30. So then if you combine like terms, you got 15h squareds. 25h plus 18h is 43h. And then plus 30. So number 3, the first times first is x times 3x is 3x squared. Outside is minus xy. Inside is plus 3yx or 3xy. And then this is going to be minus y squared. So if I combine like terms, I got 3x squareds. These two are like terms because they both have an x and a y. So this is going to be plus 2xy and then minus y squared. Now this one I'm going to multiply the j by everything. I'm going to do that in green. So it's going to be 2j cubed plus 4j squared minus 9j. And then in blue I got negative 6j squared minus 12j and then plus 27. So when I add these together, I'm going to have my 2j cubed. Add these two and I get negative 2j squared. Add these two and I get negative 21j and then plus 27. And then number 5, you multiply 2k by everything. So it's 2k cubed plus 10k squared plus 14k. And then multiply everything through by 1. So that's k squared plus 5k plus 7. And at the end, you want to combine your like terms. So I have 2k cubed. These two, this is a 1 out front, so it's going to be 11k squared. 14k's plus 5k's is plus 19k's, and then plus 7.